Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to unlock the secrets to financial independence and embark on a journey that will transform your financial future. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Financial Education, where today we delve into a topic that has the power to change your life: how to save money and build wealth. In this captivating video, we will dive deep into essential strategies and practical tips that will empower you to take control of your finances, break free from the shackles of debt, and pave the way for a life of abundance. Picture this: you wake up one morning not burdened by financial stress, but instead filled with excitement and confidence about your future. You walk into the office with a spring in your step, knowing that your hard work and smart financial decisions are paying off. As your bank account grows, so does your sense of security, giving you the freedom to pursue your dreams and live life on your terms. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Well, my friends, this vision of financial freedom can become your reality. Today, we are going to unravel the secrets behind saving money and building wealth, guiding you towards a life of prosperity. So, sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take notes, because the journey to financial freedom starts right here, right now. Let's begin with the first step on this transformative path: saving money. Saving is the cornerstone of financial success, yet it's a challenge that many face. You may find yourself wondering, how can I save money when there are bills to pay, unexpected expenses cropping up, and tempting desires tempting me at every turn? Fear not, for I have the answers that will revolutionize your saving habits. Firstly, it's time to embrace the power of budgeting. A budget is not a restrictive document, it's your roadmap to financial freedom. By creating a budget, you gain a crystal clear understanding of your income and expenses. You become the captain of your financial ship, steering away from unnecessary expenditures and identifying areas where you can cut back. Believe me, when you see those savings start to accumulate, you'll feel a surge of motivation like never before. But let's take it a step further. To truly revolutionize your saving habits, it's time to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account, ensuring that a portion of your income is tucked away before you even have a chance to spend it. This simple act of automation eliminates the temptation to dip into your savings and paves the way for a more secure financial future. Saving money is just the beginning, my friends. Now it's time to unleash the true power of building wealth through strategic investments. Investing allows your hard-earned money to work for you, creating a snowball effect that can multiply your wealth over time. But how do you navigate the complex world of investments? Fear not, for I am here to guide you. Education is key. Take the time to explore different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Seek advice from financial experts, devour books on investment strategies, and delve into the vast ocean of online resources. Arm yourself with knowledge, and you'll gain the confidence to make informed investment decisions that can propel you towards financial prosperity. Remember, building wealth is not an overnight process. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Set clear financial goals and regularly reassess your progress. Adjust your strategies along the way, ensuring you stay on track even when faced with inevitable challenges. But building wealth is not solely about money, it's about developing a mindset of abundance and financial literacy. As you embark on this transformative journey, share your newfound knowledge with others. Encourage your friends, family, and community to embrace the principles of financial education. Imagine the impact we can have together, creating a ripple effect of financial empowerment that spreads far and wide. Now, let's address a common misconception. Building wealth is not a privilege reserved for a select few. It's an opportunity available to anyone who is willing to put in the effort and make sound financial choices. It doesn't matter where you come from or what your current financial situation is. The power to change your financial trajectory lies within you. So, my friends, I challenge you to break free from the chains of financial limitation. Take the knowledge you gain from this video and put it into action. Start small, but start now. Make a commitment to yourself to save a certain percentage of your income each month, no matter how modest it may be. Remember, every dollar saved today is an investment in your future. As your savings grow, it's time to venture into the world of investing. Dip your toes in the stock market, explore real estate opportunities, or consider starting your own business. But remember, informed decisions are the cornerstone of successful investing. Do your research, seek guidance, and stay vigilant in monitoring your investments. Throughout this journey, it's essential to stay focused and motivated. Remind yourself of the goals you have set and the life you envision for yourself and your loved ones. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication and resilience. In conclusion, my friends, the video titled How to Save Money and Build Wealth is not just a mere guide, it's a catalyst for transformation. It holds the power to reshape your financial future, break free from the constraints of debt, and open doors to a life of abundance and freedom. Remember, you have the ability to take control of your finances. Implement the strategies discussed in this video: budgeting, automating your savings, and making informed investment decisions. Embrace a mindset of abundance and share your knowledge with others. Together, we can create a society that thrives financially, where dreams are within reach and worries about money are a thing of the past. So, my friends, are you ready to embark on this life-changing journey? Are you ready to save money, build wealth, and transform your financial reality? I believe in you. The power is in your hands. Let's make this the turning point in your life, the moment you take charge of your financial destiny. Thank you for joining me on this exhilarating exploration of financial education. Stay tuned for more empowering content on my YouTube channel, Financial Education. Together, let's unlock the doors to a future filled with financial prosperity. And as we close this video, I want to leave you with a final thought. Building wealth is not just about the numbers on your bank statement, it's about the freedom and peace of mind that financial security brings. It's about having the ability to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a positive impact on the world around you. So, my friends, let us embrace the power of financial education. Let us commit to learning, growing, and making wise financial choices. Let us save diligently, invest strategically, and create a legacy of abundance for ourselves and future generations. Remember, the journey to financial freedom may have its ups and downs, but with perseverance and determination, you will overcome any obstacles in your path. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never lose sight of the incredible potential that lies within you. Together, we can rewrite the narrative of our financial lives. Together, we can break free from the chains of debt and uncertainty. Together, we can save money, build wealth, and create a future that is filled with prosperity. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the world of financial education. I am grateful for your presence and for the opportunity to share my knowledge with you. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights and practical tips to guide you on your path to financial success. Now, it's time to take action. Let's implement what we've learned and start building the life of abundance we deserve. The power is in your hands. The time is now. Let's go forth and make our financial dreams a reality. Thank you, and may your journey to financial education and wealth be filled with joy, fulfillment, and extraordinary success. But before we part ways, I want to leave you with a powerful reminder. Building wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and security. As you embark on this journey, remember to strike a balance between your financial goals and the things that truly matter in life. Take the time to define what wealth means to you. Is it the ability to spend quality time with your family? Is it the freedom to pursue your passions and make a difference in the world? Keep these goals at the forefront of your mind as you navigate the world of finance. Also, don't underestimate the power of gratitude along this journey. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and appreciate the progress you make along the way. Celebrate even the smallest wins and acknowledge the steps you've taken towards financial independence. As you continue on this path, remember that setbacks and challenges are part of the process. There may be times when you face unexpected expenses or encounter investment losses. Stay resilient, learn from these experiences, and keep moving forward with determination. And never forget the importance of continuous learning. The world of finance is ever evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Read books, attend seminars, and engage in discussions with like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with a supportive community that shares your aspirations and values. Finally, always remember the power of giving back. As your wealth grows, consider how you can make a positive impact on the lives of others. Whether through charitable donations, mentoring, or supporting local businesses, find ways to uplift and empower those around you. In conclusion, my friends, the video titled How to Save Money and Build Wealth is not just a one-time lesson, but a lifelong journey. It's a commitment to financial education, discipline, and making conscious choices. It's about transforming your relationship with money and creating a future of abundance and fulfillment. As you take these lessons to heart and apply them in your own life, know that you have the potential to achieve financial freedom. Believe in yourself, stay dedicated, and never lose sight of the incredible possibilities that await you. Thank you for joining me on this remarkable exploration of financial education. Remember, the power to save money, build wealth, and shape your financial future lies within you. I wish you all the success, happiness, and prosperity on your journey. Together, let's make our financial dreams a reality. Thank you, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep prospering.